with stranger face, with big names and with sharp weapons. The angel of death comes to the person, and that's time to leave the world. He begins to say, from today you will never dream, walk and talk, and that's the time to meet the fight. So when that person was good doer, receives blessings from his Lord. When that person was evil doer, he was she saying, give me one more chance. I need to praise my Lord. Give me one more chance. I need to praise my Lord. Give me one more chance. I need to praise my Lord. Give me one more chance. I need to praise my Lord. Amasambisidwa ndi manzi wowocha, uku akufula. Amanyamulidwa kupita kumanda, uku akulila. Polankana kala doti, sindigana futika ine. Omalelo fa aina al-mafaru, kuri kutawila kuri kuti. Teniti kale antuomu opa Allah, ochiti rapa mawa. Kuri mwina tisaza kale, antuomanera kuti. Give me one more chance. I need to praise my Lord. Nditongelo wa infandi owoka, wa muntu yemakamuka na Allah. Omanso ndi wabwino, wa muntu yemwe yankamumvera Allah. Nditongelo wa infandi owoka, wa muntu yemakamuka na Allah. Komanso ndi wabwino, wa muntu uyo yankamumvera Allah. Even a minute is not for me. I need to praise my Lord. Even a minute is not for me. I need